Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the Area View Screensaver application to your Android TV even if you don't have Google Play Store app. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you own an Android TV and want to download and install the Area View app, which is an application that we can use on our Android TVs for area view screensavers, what you can do is go over to your browser. I don't have Google Play Store, so I'm using my browser. Any browser is going to work in this case as long as your TV is an Android TV. So go over to your browser and type in the name of the application, which in this case is the Area View Screensaver. So here's it over here. Here's the result. So just click on that option, and then you're going to see the application, and here's it, Area Views Screensaver. Since our TV is an Android TV, this is going to work because we can install it from here. So just go over here, click on install, and you're going to see the install button. And all you have to do is click install, and the application is going to start downloading. And once it's done downloading, it will install to your Android TV. Now, if for some reason this option doesn't work, they can use a third-party site like this or the one below to install the same application. Just click on it once, and you are going to see an option to download and install the application. Okay, this first site isn't working, so let's try this other one and see if it's going to work either. All right, so this one can work. So as you can see, you can install different versions of the same application from here, but my recommendation is use the first option. Just go over to the second option if the first option fails. That's it about the video. Like and subscribe for more.